Hello and welcome back to my channel, Huda Studio Graphic Design. Today we're going to be talking about the top free graphic design tools, and first one is Adobe CC Express. All you need is an Adobe account to get started and create a professional looking design. Adobe Creative Cloud Express is a tool to customize templates and generate assets for social media content, logos, and more. The user-friendly software or website intuitively categorizes your designs into three categories: post, page, and video. Get the look you want with easy to apply effects, filters, textures, and overlays. And you can also easily remove backgrounds, resize, and reflow your content for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, banners, flyers, and so much more. And Adobe Express is free to use, but also it has a premium version for subscription free. In fact, it's also mobile friendly. Next, we have Vector. Vector is a free graphics editor that can create blur-free 2D graphics for logos, icons, website mockups, presentations, and a lot more. Send anyone a Vector document for real-time collaboration, which means you can, as a team, you can work on the same document or same design at the same time. Alongside simple features on the dashboard, Vector also has a separate panel that provides advanced features that cater to professional designers. Product designs can be exported in various formats such as SVG, PNG, JPEG, and so on. SVG is the main file that generally people use to open in Illustrator and so on. That's why this is a really good alternative to using a paid software like Illustrator. So this gives you professional but good looking and good quality content. Next, we have the very popular Canva. Canva is an online design and publishing tool to create and customize digital content easily. The free plan offers approximately 250,000 free templates, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics, and 100 plus designs for social media, emails, presentations, and a lot more. Collaborate and comment on projects in real time, just like Vector. So Canva gives us three different versions of their experience. We have the free version where you already have access to so many templates and hundreds of elements and so on. And then we have the paid version, which has premium content that you can use in your designs. And we also have an education plan, which a lot of institutions do opt for because it makes it very easy for the students to create creative presentations and videos as well. One thing about Canva is that you can create really good videos without using any specific video software. So it's very simple to make a very basic presentation video instead of, recording on Zoom or, going to a video editing software. Next, we have Lunacy. Lunacy is a vector graphics app for user interface, user experience, and web design. So it's similar to Vector that we mentioned before, but it's kind of different in terms of what it specializes in. So you can use built-in graphics including icons, UI kits, illustrations, and photos. This also includes handy artificial intelligence tools such as background remover, image upscaler, avatar generator, and text generator. Users on different platforms can collaborate over the same design in real time. So this is also coming to par with Canva and Vector. It's free but also has a premium licensing option that unlocks even more features. Next, we have Freepik. Freepik is a huge search engine to find quality photos, vector images, illustrations, and Photoshop files. This means that you have a huge selection of Photoshop files, Illustrator files, and PNG files. We also have icons and stickers that are high quality, and you can also find SlidesGo for free slides and presentation templates under Freepik. Now, these designs are very easy to download and edit in Illustrator or Photoshop, especially if you don't want to create a design all by yourself from scratch. It's very easy to pick up a design file from Freepik and edit it to your liking in Illustrator or Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.